If you want to stretch an image or a photo on your mobile device, you can use the Google's Snapseed app. This is a very nice photo editor. Just open your Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapseed and install the app. Once the app is fully installed, open it and get started. You can either use your camera to make a photo and edit it, or you can upload a photo from your phone gallery. To give you a quick overview, you can tune your image by tapping on Tune Image, and then you can just swipe right or left to change the brightness. If you swipe up, you can change the parameter from brightness to contrast, for example. Once selected, you can just swipe right and left, same as with the brightness, to change this parameter. So very intuitive and minimalistic, as you can see. Once you are finished, just tap on the checkmark button here in the bottom corner to save it. And now to stretch our photo or image, we just tap on Tools right here, where you can see different tools for editing your photos. We are going to change the tab to Fix right here and then select Perspective. This is the place where you can tilt your photo, you can rotate it, and you can use the scale feature, which allows us to swipe to the right or up for stretching the photo. If we stretch the photo, it's automatically changing the background to blur, so we don't have black spaces. Once you tapped on the checkmark button to save it, you can either export it directly or you can change the aspect ratio. You are doing this by tapping on the crop feature right here and then just select the aspect ratio you want to have for this photo. For example, I'm gonna select 1:1 square format. In the end, just tap on export to export the photo or the image. And that's how it works. Play around with the app, it's very useful and nice. Thanks for watching.